In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check page views of a single page. We'll use Google Analytics to quickly find the views for a specific page, and I'll point out a few tips to read the numbers with confidence. First, open a browser and go to analytics.google.com. If you're prompted, sign into the account that has access to your site's property. Once the interface loads, look to the left navigation and head into Reports. This is the main area where Google Analytics organizes your traffic and engagement data into ready-made summaries, so you don't need to build anything from scratch. Inside Reports, locate the option labeled View User Engagement and Retention and select it. This takes you into the engagement-focused workspace where Google highlights how people interact with your content. It's a helpful context because page views are often analyzed alongside metrics like engaged sessions and average engagement time. From here, choose Pages and Screens. This report lists every page your visitors have seen, and it's designed to answer exactly the question we're tackling. You'll see a table with columns such as page title, page path, users, and views. For websites, views is the page views number. It represents the total count of times a page was loaded or reloaded during the selected period. Users counts unique visitors, which is different, so focus on views for raw page view totals. To find a single page, scan the table for its title or path. If your site has many pages, use the built-in search above the table to filter by a keyword or a snippet of the URL. You can also sort the views column to surface the most or least viewed pages. Hovering over a truncated title will reveal the full page path, which helps ensure you're looking at the correct page, especially if multiple pages share similar titles. Keep in mind that the numbers you see reflect the current date range and time zone configured for your property, and very recent visits may take a short time to appear. If your site uses query parameters, the same page might appear as multiple rows when parameters vary, so the views count will be tied to the exact path shown. And that's it. By going to Reports, opening user engagement and retention, and viewing pages and screens, you can confidently check the page views for any individual page on your site.